In this video, I will show you how to create a Telegram account on your Android device. Telegram is a popular messaging app that allows you to chat with friends and family easily. It has many features like group chats, channels, and secure messaging. Setting up an account is quick and easy and takes just a few minutes. To get started, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Telegram and hit search. Once you find the official Telegram app, tap on it. Now, tap on the Install button to download and install the app. This should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After installation is complete, open it. Upon opening Telegram, you'll see a welcome screen. Tap on the Start Messaging button, located at the bottom of your screen. If prompted, allow Telegram any necessary permissions. These permissions are essential for features like contacts access and notifications. Next, select your country. This is important as it helps identify your phone number's format. Now, type in the phone number that you wish to associate with your Telegram account in the designated text box. Once entered, tap on the arrow icon to proceed. At this point, Telegram will send a verification code via SMS to your provided phone number. Check your messages for this code and type it into Telegram when prompted. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your phone number. Now it's time to set up your profile. The first name is required while entering a last name is optional. You can also upload a profile photo if desired. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, tap on that arrow icon once again to proceed. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new Telegram account. Now you're ready to start messaging securely and connecting with friends around the globe. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.